Morocco.
Thank you. See you, man.
Okay, thanks.
I got legs for days and stalk me. Make up a reason to ban me, please. All you gotta do is play right. Keep to the left.
يو صباح الخير عليكم. دونك اليوم كيما قلت لكم عندنا فول اون هليكوبتر. يلا جينا دابا اون فيان دو جينا نديرو باش نديرو تشيكين هنايا. عطاونا لي كونسين ديال كيفاش كومون فاس ديرولي الفواياج. قال لك فوالا ما تلبسوش الطراباش كذا، خاص تكون ديما السمطه. الكاميرا راه عطاوني واحد اللعبه باش نفيكسيها في يدي ملي كنت نصور في وسط الفوق الهليكوبتر. دابا رانا بيلت اكيليبري الكاميرا اكيليبري ستابيليزاتور باسكو فيه واحد المشكله تيتحرك شويه. دونك فوالا عبرونا خداو لي بوا ديالنا ودونك نتسناو دابا تنتسناو باش يجي عندنا البيلوت واقيلا ونمشيو للهليكوبتر. خارطة العالم نوريكم البلاصه لي كوت اللي غادي نمشيو لهم. نا بالي كوست هادو هما لي كوت اللي كنا فيهم البارح طلعنا درنا داك كاليبا ريتش. دونك هنا نمشيو دابا نشوفوهم كوتي مير. دونك سا سخا مانيفيك. والهليكوبتر اللي خدينا سي 12 غادي نمشيو لبيبان محلولين في الهليكوبتر. كاين السلطه دونك تقدر تخرج رجليك ايتترا. C'est une expérience à faire une fois dans sa vie. Et on a choisi de la faire هنايا في Kauai parce qu'on a vu les vidéos et داكشي سي حماق انتم غادي تشوفوا. Donc voilà, j'espère que ça va bien se passer. On a le matériel, on a la caméra, كلشي واجد pour prendre de très belles photos, prendre des vidéos de malades. Voilà, donc on va partager de l'expérience هادي معكم. J'espère يعجبكم داكشي parce que vraiment ça sera pour le prix ديال le tour, il est un peu cher. جينا تنقلبوا هنايا au début. Les prix c'est aux alentours de entre 200 et 350 دولار pour les prix. كاين اللي تمشيو بكم 7 في الهليكوبتر، كاين اللي تمشيو 6، كاين اللي تمشيو. حنا on a pris un truc فهمتي، قلبنا على les reviews pour voir une bonne compagnie. فوالا ميور كومباني برايفيت تور، يعني ما غاديش يمشي معاك البراني بزاف، ودي فوا تقدر تكونوا 5 بحال بواحد الوسط وهذا ما تقدرش تصور. دونك اون بري اون بون كومباني عندها لي ريفيو، عندها دي بون زاباري هنايا. اي فوالا كاين جاك ويتشر، كاين مانا لوا، هذه اللي مع ماونا لوا، هذه هي اللي حنا معاها، هي شكل هنايا ماونا لوا. وكاين جاك ريتشر، هادو سي دو كومباني اللي معروفين كاع هنايا. جاك هارتر ريتشر الفيلم جاك ريتشر سي ان فيلم. جاك هارتر هادو سي لي دو كومباني اللي كاينين هنايا في كاواي. دونك on a choisi هاد ماونا لوا. Et voilà, donc le tour il nous a coûté $350 الواحد. يعني c'est très très cher, c'est très très cher, 3500 dirhams الواحد. Mais c'est un truc qu'on va faire une fois dans notre vie. Et ça sera une expérience magnifique et on partager معكم تصاور. إلا كنا غنديرهم au moins une fois حياتنا في un tour في l'hélicoptère, on préfère que ça soit في Kauai parce que c'est vraiment un paradis sur terre. Voilà, donc احنا نشوفوا هاد سميتو البيلوت من يجي عندنا ونصوروا لكم كلشي اليوم غدوزو معنا النهار كامل في الحماق.
We need to sign something here, no?
Oh, did you say
No, we didn't. We need to sign something?
Yes.
Okay. Which island?
As soon as they're finished, I'll go ahead and play it.
Okay, thank you. Kauai. Okay. قريتي شي لعبة ولا تتسيني؟ قرا شي لعبة ياك؟ المهم باين انا قال لك انا مشيتي تزدح شي دايركا الجيمين شوف دير بحال اللي تدير فيسبوك اكسبتي كلشي وصافي فين مشي تبقى تسكرولي لتحت ومن بعد واش بسميتك المهم طارق الناصري هادي بحال اللي داروا لنا في المكسيك ملي عملنا مع لي روكا قال لك سني واحد اللعيبه فهمتي زعما تحمل مسؤوليتك اذا عضك روكان فيديو ديال السيكوريتي
Open the door, simply lift up on the latch and push forward, then push the door out. For your comfort, the R44 is equipped with a door vent. If you've chosen to fly with the doors off, it should be noted that we will be flying at high speeds. Please keep all your body parts and objects within the helicopter at all times.
اللي
You will be
كسول
using
ديما
one of these aviation type headsets today. The deck in front of you on the left side. Simply push it with your foot. In the unlikely event that you feel ill during the tour, ask your pilot for an aloha bag. It's located within the blue envelope.
يوهو
It's gonna be fun.
hope so
Alright, so everybody's all checked in, and if you want to quickly just put that in the car and then use the restroom, and then we'll head out.
هاهما الاجواء هنايا كلشي مستعد
Sorry, we gotta get in the head.
Okay.
It's pretty, yeah.
everyone's ready
You're all going in the same bird?
It's gradual. No, it's just 20 minutes.
No,
I have a knee injury and a back injury.
انت ما عرفتش كيفاش تهبط الهليكوبتر ما تباتيش
Not
معاه
that you have the injury. It's good that you're.
No, I'm just saying.
قول الا ما عرفتش الا ما عرفتش نحل الباب سير ريان طلع الهليكوبتر
Okay.
And you go down into it, and then you come into this
يلا يلا
amazing. What is it called? I can tell you what it's called. It's, hang on, I'll look it up.
Is there a time of day that's better to go on the trails here? Just whenever you want.
All this-
You know,
as long
honestly.
as the wind-
So هنايا نتسناو البيلوت Oh
Nice weather today, right?
yeah
The other side of the island, unfortunately, no. We have Ben here and Russell and Luigi. We will be your pilot today. Who are you guys looking for?
I'm flying with Melissa and Peter.
yeah
For Nabil.
we are here
Nice to meet you.
perfect
We can take the yellow helicopter over here.
yeah
Ready?
nice to meet you my name is Tarek
Hi, Nabil. Nice to meet you guys. How are you? Good. So we're gonna be in the red helicopter today.
Okay.
So you guys are ready?
yeah 1 minute
Have fun. See you guys.
see you have fun
Welcome.
thank you
This is you guys helicopter today.
yeah
So, quick question. You guys ever done a helicopter tour before?
first time
First time? Awesome. So guys, there's a couple things we're going to have to talk about before we get started today.
Yep.
So obviously we are going to have the doors off.
Okay.
So this is really good for taking photographs, enjoying the view, having a good time. But I want to caution you, everything has to stay inside at all times.
Okay.
If you guys stick your cameras out to take photographs, there's a chance the wind's going to take them away from you. So
Okay.
we're just going to kind of pretend you have a door today, but since you don't, enjoy the view and have a good time.
okay
Do we have any loose items like the bag that you want to put underneath the seat?
yes thank you حط لي الساك لتحت كم ما يطيروش مع الريح
All right, we'll get those at the end of the tour. If you want to go ahead and start putting on your jackets there, we're going to have to put on our life vests next.
Okay.
So we are going to be flying out over the ocean today, so we have to wear our life vests throughout the tour. Did you guys get the safety briefing?
yes
Okay, cool. So just real quick, if we did have to go for a swim today, just make sure you're outside of the helicopter, pull the orange tab over the head, and then inflate.
okay
So that being said, we'll go ahead and get started. We'll go up, over, and around. All right, perfect. Do you have like an arm strap? Yeah, you got a strap
Yes.
for that camera. Cool. You guys look like you're ready to go.
yeah
So guys, did they tell you about the intercom buttons?
Yeah, for communication.
Yeah, you got one right there, another one over here.
Okay.
So while we're out there on the tour, guys, this is your tour. You're more than welcome to talk throughout the tour. You just got to push that button, talking in the microphone. We'll all
Okay, so what's the best place for pictures for the sun?
So I have you guys seated by weight. So I had Tarek, you're the heavier, so I have you here.
Okay.
And Nabil, you're going to be behind me.
Okay.
So one more thing to talk about before we get going is motion sickness. If you guys start to not feel so good out there, I don't know if that's an issue with you, but if it is, let me know early. I have
The aloha bag.
There you go.
I got you.
I caution you, the doors are not an option. The wind will return it.
Okay.
Anything like that.
Okay.
So that being said, guys, if you don't have any questions for me, Tarek, I have you right here.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Watch your step getting in. Yeah. Car seat belt right across the lap. I'll have you clip it in place over there.
هما الطيارات اللي ديال الناس الاخرين تيطلعوا حتى هما كلشي غيقلع.
actually is going to take you back.
Thank you very much.
Both of you. Thank
It was
you
really
so
nice.
much.
That's
And-
something.
Oh, I
Thank you
appreciate
very
that.
much,
Thank
man.
you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, brother. Aloha.
Say hi to Moroccan friends.
Hey, aloha, Morocco.
Thank you.
See you.
See you, man.
Okay, thanks.
كي كان داكشي
واعر بزاف.
حماق هيك.
اكسبيريونس واعره.
ايوي
درنا زعما في احسن بلاصه اللي تقدر دير هليكوبتر هي هو.
ما حالوش نعاودوهم مرة أخرى ياك الهليكوبتر.
زعما هنا الا بغيتي دير الهليكوبتر زعما خصك ديرها هنا.
فريمون توب.
شي الحمار.
نمشيو نشوفوا الناس الآخرين شنو الإحساس ديالهم.
You guys can go take a seat under the tent or in the van.
Okay.
Did you really?
How was it?
Amazing.
How was it?
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, I got a video. I will share with you the link after if you want.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I will do a YouTube video.
That's
It's
awesome.
amazing. That's amazing.
That's great.
And the weather is, oh my god, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today's the cloud anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would be
lucky with the weather.
Yeah, I'd be weary. I mean, it'd be kind of cool, but I'd be weary in like one of these like kind of stormier days, you know.
Oh,
to,
God.
like, get in there and get a little.
This is the right day to do it. If you have any anxiety, this is the right day to do it.
Oh yeah, that was great.
Once you were up there, were you okay, or was it kind of like?
Taking off.
Once we were, yeah, that part was like
Yeah.
a little windy, and
The
then once
first
we get
5 minutes, I was like,
Yeah, I was like, it was windy a little bit.
Some of the grab bars. What are all these grab bars
The first time of anything, right?
Yeah.
I was like that the first time I was in a helicopter. I didn't have any anxiety this time.
No, that's great.
Which
You were right though. Once you're in the canyon, you're just like you forget about everything.
You
You're
know.
just like,
Yeah.
this is beautiful. All
Hanging
right.
out the
Okay, if I
window.
fall
Yeah.
out, I mean,
There's no other way to see
this
this
is
but this.
beautiful.
Yeah.
yeah, that's the thing. 85% of the island's uninhabited. It's like
Yeah.
you can't see.
Yeah,
that's
You
so
can't
cool.
even hike into most of it.
you can only do it by boat or by
Right.
helicopter.
Exactly. Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Really.
Map.
I think what happens is when you start looking at.
فوالا احنا يلا سالينا التور دي هليكوبتر ما
And we're still alive.
فيكم مازال حيين الدراري دونك فهمتي الحمد لله فوالا سا سي تري بيان باسي كان عندنا بيلوت ناضي المهم ما بقاش يقول لنا شحال من حاجه ما تقولنا السميه ديال الجبال داكشي اللي ما عندنا ما نديرو به المهم انا بخي دير تري بيل فوتو فما خدينا حتى شي تصويره الصراحه خدينا هادي كو دي فيديو غادي تشوفوا الفيديو غادي يكون هاد التريك الحماق يلا الدراري جو بونس غادي نديرو فلوق فيه غير هاد اللقطه ديال الهليكوبتر دابا العشيه
لا ماشي العشيه
دابا نيت غادي نمشيو غنديرو واحد
تريك بور اون كاسكاد.
واحد لا كاسكاد واحد الشلال
العشيه نرخيوها نديرو شي بلاج.
والعشيه نديرو شي بلاج يلا الدراري جيسبر كو يكون عجبكم هاد ليبيزود هذا ابوناو بارطاجيو داكشي باي